The year is 1912. Belfast thrums with a nervous energy. Titanic, a behemoth of steel and dreams, is ready. A floating city, she dwarfs all others. Her decks promise luxury, her engines whisper of unprecedented speed. Hope hangs heavy in the air, thick as the smoke from her towering funnels. Onlookers gather, their faces a mix of awe and envy. The ship is a titan, her lines sleek and powerful. She embodies the ambition of a generation determined to conquer nature itself. No obstacle seems insurmountable. The future, cradled in her iron ribs, gleams bright. The air vibrates with the cheers of the crowd as Titanic casts off. She sets sail towards a destiny shrouded in both promise and peril. The sea, vast and unforgiving, awaits her challenge. Little do they know, tragedy lurks just beneath the horizon. First class gleams. Chandeliers glitter, music washes over promenades. Champagne flows as the upper crust revels, oblivious to the icy breath drawing near. In steerage, hopes for new beginnings outweigh the cramped quarters. Families huddle together, sharing stories and dreams for a brighter future across the ocean. Captain Smith, a seasoned mariner, stands firm on the bridge. He trusts his ship, a masterpiece of engineering. But even the mightiest oak can be felled. Warnings of ice crackle through the airwaves, ignored in the rush towards destiny. The sea, deceptively calm, holds a secret in its depths. A silent menace drifts unseen beneath the starlit sky. Fate, a fickle mistress, has woven destiny and doom together in a tapestry of ice and steel. A shudder, a scraping sound. The night shatters, panic rises from the depths, icy and swift. The unthinkable has happened. Titanic, thought unsinkable, takes on water. Chaos descends, the band plays on, a haunting melody against the screams. On the sloping decks, humanity confronts its fragility. Mothers clutch children. Lovers exchange final goodbyes. The lifeboats, too few, are lowered into the dark. Acts of selflessness and cowardice play out under the cold gaze of the stars. The sea, once a promise of adventure, transforms into a ravenous maw. The icy Atlantic claims the dreams and aspirations of over 1,500 souls. The night echoes with their cries, swallowed by the depths. The ocean floor holds its secrets close. Down in the abyss, the Titanic rests, a tomb of steel and shattered dreams. Fish dart through rusted corridors, the only witnesses to the grandeur that once was. The stories of those lost linger, whispers carried on the currents. There lies the Astors, their vast fortune, no shield against fate. The Strausses, their love story etched in eternity, choosing to face death together. The band forever playing their mournful tune in the icy silence. Each piece of wreckage, each corroded artifact whispers a tale of that fateful night. They speak of courage and despair, of love and loss, of the fragility of life itself. The Titanic, entombed in her watery grave, serves as a chilling reminder of the power of the sea. News of the disaster sends shockwaves across the globe. Disbelief gives way to grief, then anger. How could this happen? The unsinkable ship swallowed by the sea. The world demands answers. Investigations begin. The flaws, once hidden beneath the surface of arrogance and ambition, are laid bare. Too few lifeboats, a disregard for ice warnings. The illusion of invulnerability shattered. The sinking of the Titanic exposes the hubris of man. It serves as a stark reminder that nature, in all its capricious fury, is not easily tamed. The tragedy leaves an indelible mark on the world, forever altering our relationship with the sea. In the aftermath of the tragedy, maritime laws are rewritten, safety regulations are strengthened, the importance of lifeboats etched in blood and memory. The world mourns but also learns. The Titanic has become more than a shipwreck. It is a symbol, a parable of human ambition and its limits. The story passed down through generations continues to fascinate and haunt. The echoes of the disaster resonate in our art, our literature, our collective consciousness. The icy depths hold more than just the Titanic's shattered hull. They hold the memory of a tragedy that shook the world, reminding us that even in our greatest triumphs we are at the mercy of the sea. The Titanic's story is a whisper from the abyss, a haunting reminder of the enduring power of the ocean and the fragility of human life.